What's good, guys? It's your girl Keisha Ariel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I plan to detox Jayden's locks in efforts of getting rid of the buildup he's accumulated. So let's get into it. Now, if you remember in Jayden's 18 months lock update video, I shared with you all that Jayden's locks had gathered a tremendous amount of buildup, and I did not know what to do in regards to getting rid of the environmental buildup he had acquired. I asked you all for suggestions on how to get rid of the buildup because I felt like I had exhausted all logical possibilities available to me. Then, my husband chimed in and suggested doing a clay mask. So, I did some research and saw that people actually try this on their locks for getting rid of buildup. Now, that scared me because I thought this would make it even worse. But I decided to try anyway because nothing beats a trial than a failure, right? So with that, I went ahead and did some further research to find the best way to prepare a clay mask, and I found a very informative video on Green Beauty's channel. With that, I followed the exact instructions in the above linked video and created this mixture. However, if you check the description below, you will find further details on each measurement used in this mixture. Now, to get my Rosa clay to powder form, I simply ground it in my grinder, then added it to the other clays to create my clay mask mixture. You also want to make sure that the water pH is between 5 and 6 for this mixture. When mixing your clays, you want to avoid using any metal utensils or bowls. So if you want to learn more on how clay cleans the hair and scalp, then go ahead and click the link above. And this is how Jayden actually attracts all the lint in his locks, laying around on the floor just like any normal kid would. The lint struggle is certainly real. Before applying the clay mask to his hair, I ensured to brush and pick out all the loose lint I could find. Then I went ahead and applied the clay mask to his hair and scalp. After this, I rinsed his locks. when his hair was dry, I observed it the next day and was not happy to see this. This is what his hair looked like. I was mortified. I am sad to say the clay didn't loosen or help to remove any of the lint buildup. So to say clay masks work to help remove lint, I totally disagree with that. Now, in Jayden's 18-month lock update video, a lot of you suggested that I should do an ACV soak to get rid of the buildup. But being skeptical, since I have done an ACV soak on his locks at his 1-year milestone, I thought, hey, let's at least try to get rid of the clay residue. Now, if you would like to know how I prepared the ACV mixture, then go ahead and click the link above. Once I was done soaking his hair, I followed up with giving his hair and scalp a thorough wash. And then a well-deserved retwist. Check out the above link to see my usual routine for retwisting Jayden's locks. So after doing a clay mask and an ACV soak on his locks, this is the final result. Now, I know it's going to take some time to get rid of the buildup in his locks, but at least this is the start of the journey and you guys could be on this journey with us. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So until next time, we will be right back here with another video.